It cleared it away.
Who's the winner, Dad?
Boo!
Enjoy what Johnny shows.
Hi guys! There's a diesel here in the passenger coach.
Guys, we did the craziest thing. We got this giant box full of tracks, full of trains, and other crazy things from AliExpress. Yes, you heard us. We spent like $123, I think it was.
And there's
right?
a cement truck.
Oh my goodness, look at that. We wanted to check out the quality and see how it compares to the more higher end brands that we usually buy. So this is what the layout should look like. And it looks like there's so many turns and loop-de-loops. And look at that. This is like a high-speed train here. Ooh, ice cream truck.
And there's an MTA bus.
Is that MTA or is it just bus?
MTA bus.
Oh, and a fire truck. Guys, look at that. There's so many pieces. What? Wait, guys. I think it came with a dog bone. So now we're going to build it and tell you guys how the quality is and is it worth it. So here are all the pieces and we try organizing them, you know, to set them up. And the way that you actually build this is you have this little piece of track and there's 2 holes on one side, 2 holes on the other. And then you put this plastic part on the side and then screw it on.
Guys, look.
When you're done, it's gonna look like this. Good. Now, 50 more to go.
You can stack them on top of each other.
Oh, that's really cool. So you can make it super, super high.
And there's a cargo truck.
Cargo truck? Oh yeah, it is. It says Express. What else is there? Show me the other buildings.
And look, this is a car garage and a Chinese school.
Let me see. Okay, yeah, that's a car garage and a school.
Is this like for some figurines? Oh my god, Dad is on E-I-E-I-O.
There's a little farmer here, and what else do we have? This construction worker.
And there's a passenger for a train.
Or it could be the teacher too, not sure. But he could definitely be a passenger. What else is there?
A police.
And?
I'm a firefighter.
A firefighter. Whoa! I got stuck. There's only one motorized train in this set. Everything else is just, you know, regular, not motorized.
We have this passenger coach. As we're building the tracks.
So we're gonna be building this crazy thing over here.
I'm Nemo!
You're Nemo!
I'm gonna get it!
I'm gonna eat you!
Crab!
Putting that on. Wait, taking that off. Putting it back on. Okay, I'll just hold it.
It's strong. It can pull a lot of big, stronger passenger coaches.
Looking good. So this is like coming together. We got some trains there. We have Johnny going. Dad looking confused there.
Yes.
Guys, there's a tender right here.
Track is starting to come down and looking better.
Look, I added this coach here.
Oh, nice. Who's riding? Who's this inside?
Look. God, a car there.
What is there a car doing on the train tracks?
Yeah!
We made the first and the second level, and we need the third and fourth level.
Whoa, it's gonna have 4 levels, Johnny. Did you hear that?
Yeah!
Ooh, our ears.
X. It cleared it away. That track is so bumpy like Track Master 5.
Whoa, look at it go. It's so cool.
It's a high-speed train.
Oh my goodness, this is so cool. It's like, when is it gonna end? And then it finally ends now.
Look, the diesel can go underground.
There's another layer added.
And
Missing a piece. Now it's time to add the fourth level.
Those green pieces allow you to connect two small curves. Really cool.
Is that the last piece? Okay, so here's this string going. Whoa, 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 whoa. Got a little stuck. Okay, it's going up, going up. Oh my goodness, guys, it looks so cool. It looks so cool from this side too. Driving so smooth. So it's going up to the third level now. Look at it go, look at it go.
But you know, guess what? Steamy's right up here.
Fourth level, this is the fourth level. Need a little boost.
Woo!
You made it. Ah!
Your train is derailed.
Saved you. And going back down.
Now I'm gonna go to the farm and fish.
What did you catch?
It's a baby shark.
Baby shark. What else can we catch there?
Nemo.
Nemo.
Let's see.
Oh, Nemo.
I'm a big, black, strong steam engine.
Ah! Stop! In the name of the law.
Bad trick.
Stop! In the name. Stop! Oh, that train is bad. We have to arrest that train.
Oh
This
no!
train is very bad. So, Dad, what do you think about this track? What do you think of the quality? You think it's worth it?
I think so, yeah. It's nice quality. I like the tracks. I'm not really
And guys,
fan
I'm
of
finishing the
the
school.
figurines and stuff.
I'm finished. Ding, 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 ding. Speedy bullet train.
You think it's gonna catch up? Woo! Going, going. Doesn't it look so cool going all the way around the track?
Yeah.
There's a mountain, and now it's going up, up, up.
Again?
Yeah.
He's so fast.
It's super fast. Is it the fastest train that we have?
I don't think so.
Yes, it is.
Not sure. It's catching up, look.
Oh my goodness, it's catching up. Is it going to derail it? Is it going to derail it?
Dude's going to push it, dude.
Push. Did that one need help now?
Help. It's pushing me.
Oh, it's going. What time is it now?
Giveaway time.
It's giveaway time. So, thank you guys for helping us reach 15,000 subscribers. And here are all the people who entered our giveaway. Now, we're gonna find out who's the winner for the MTA bus, and then we're gonna find out who's the winner for the subway train toy. And it's gonna be random. Here are your names, guys. We're gonna throw them.
Fine.
Pick the winner for the MTA bus.
Okay. Open up, open up, open up.
Let me see who is this.
And boo!
Let me see.
Who's the winner, Dad? AJ and everything.
Like my glasses.
Congratulations, AJ and everything. Thank you for entering our giveaway. You are the winner for the MTA bus depot. Please tell your parents to send us an email letting us know who you are. Okay, next we are going to pick our winner for the subway train tour. Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm so nervous. Johnny, pick one.
One of them, one.
One,
Put
yes.
one.
Who is this? Daniel. Please tell your parents, or if you're over 18, then you can email us and let us know that this is you. We'll send out the subway train toy.
Woo, woo, woo.
Woo, woo, woo! Congratulations!
Thank you guys for our giveaway. We're gonna have another one.
Yes, guys, thank you guys for entering our giveaway. We're gonna have another one when we reach 20,000 subscribers. So
And 10 subscribers.
Oh, 10 subscribers, maybe. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and
Subscribe for next time. Bye.
bye.
Subscribe to Johnny Shows.
Gaming, gaming, gaming.
See what Johnny shows next. See what Johnny shows next.